Here's the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo up close so you can see how it really works. This is the full size and the control panel, and everything is touch buttons. The water tank slides out easily. Here's your bean hopper with your grind adjustment. Here's what a shot looks like. Watch the brew speed and crema. The drip tray comes out smoothly, and the cleanup is easy. That's the Magnifica Evo. Hope this helps.